Today I'm making a chocolate chip cherry cake. First I'm going to make the cake batter, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of yellow cake mix. Next I'm following the directions on the back of the box, so I'm adding eggs, oil, but instead of 1 cup of water I'm going to add 1 cup of maraschino cherry juice. Then add 1/3 of a cup of chopped maraschino cherries. Next add 1 cup of mini chocolate chip. Mix that up until it's combined. Next add the batter into a greased Bundt pan and bake this at 350 for 30 to 40 minutes. While the cake is baking, I'm going to make the frosting, so in a bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next I'm going to add 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Then add 4 tablespoons of maraschino cherry juice. Mix that up until it's combined. Once the cake was done baking, I waited 10 minutes before flipping it over onto a plate, and now that it's fully cooled, I'm going to spread the frosting all over the cake. Now the cake is fully frosted, I'm going to sprinkle some more mini chocolate chips on top and add some maraschino cherries on top. Here's an up close look of the cake, and here's a slice of the cake.